Mars, the red planet. As desolate as it is a huge world, 6,779 kilometers in diameter. Iron oxide, or Fe2O3, is the reason why Mars is red. This is Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. Here's Arizona for comparison. Just like the moon model, this model would be 6 inches, which is a 44,742,000 to 1 model. I calculated this by finding how many inches there are in a mile, how many 6-inch increments there are in a mile, and then I multiplied that by the amount of miles the diameter of the planet was. There's a crust, mantle, outer, and inner core. We needed to figure out how thick each of the layers would be. Once I calculated all of that, I started work on the model. First, I would create a tracing diagram, which is where I make a 6 by 6 inch square. Then I color in all the layers according to how thick they all are. I always clarify that it is 6 by 6 inches at the end. So I place the core down, then the outer core, and then, finally, I place the mantle down after that. But we needed structure, so I printed 4 quarter circle pieces and then I would connect them all into one circle. Once that was done, I could lay all the layers, including the core, inner core, and the mantle down. Then finally, I needed the crust. Since it was so thin, it wouldn't really make up that big of a section. The crust is 1/25 of an inch, the mantle is 2.9 inches, and the inner and outer core together are 3 inches. Now I needed to make a half sphere. If you want to see how I did this in greater detail in my moon model video, go check that out right now. I kept laying more and more paper strips down. Then it was time to paint it. I mixed yellow and red together, and I got this great Mars color. Some renditions of Mars show Mars completely red, but realistically, it's actually reddish-orange. Then I made a stand for the Mars model using Legos and one big Lego tire. Then, I placed this plaque in the front of it that shows all the information you need to know about the scale Mars model. That is how I made a scale Mars model.